Welcome to the science class, students. Let's begin with first aid today. Do you know, students, what is a first aid? It is a immediate help given to an injured person is known as first aid. And first aid kit is basically a collection of supplies and the equipment that is used to give medical treatment. Like you can keep antiseptic lotions, like the Dettol, Savlon, right? That kills the germs when a person get injured in case of bleeding basically. You can put antiseptic cream like soframycin, betadine, these kind of medicines, painkillers, right? Iodax, Vicks, and other bandages like cream bandage, normal bandages, band-aid, these kind of things can be kept under the first aid box. Or for a burn, you can keep the Burnol, right? So these are basic medicine that should be available at your home in your first aid box. Not at your home, if everywhere. Whether you're traveling, right? If you're traveling, so you should keep in your car, right? If you're traveling by your scooty, you should keep in your scooty, right? So if you're at school, so there should be a first aid box. So it is always necessary to have the first aid box everywhere. Let's understand what first aid should be given for the following accidents. Let's discuss one by one, students. First one is a fracture. When you hit someone, yeah, if we fall down sometimes, so we always met with an fracture. In that case, what first thing that we can do at our home or wherever we are? Take a piece of cardboard or a wood and tie it around the fractured part to give the support, which act as a splint, students. And when a bone of hand is broken, make a sling using a cloth or a bandage. This gives the support to the arms to make the patient more comfortable basically, right? And for further treatment, you need to consult to a doctor. This is the basic things that you can do. In case of sprain means moch aa jana, right? When the ankle or twist, sorry, when I repeat, when the ankle, when the ankle, when the ankle or wrist get twisted and the tissue around the joint gets torn, means break down. This causes swelling and severe pain at the joint. This is called sprain, students, right? The symptoms could be swelling, bruising means kneel par jana. Decreased ability to move the limb. Limb means it can be hind limb or forelimb. We have already discussed about the limbs in the skeletal system. If the ligament is ruptured, one may hear a popping sound. What is a ligament? There is a tissue which is present between bone to bone. BLB. I told you, bone, ligament, bone. If this ligament is ruptured, there will be a popping sound, right? Difficulty using the affected extremity. Obviously, unable to walk properly, unable to write down properly if it is a hand. The other kind of symptoms. Let's understand following measures should be taken to get relief from a pain. First one, just be relaxed, right? From a painful activities. Now it's time to relax yourself. No need to do anything during this time. Sometimes a brain or crutches are needed to for short-term support. Just gently sit down and take rest. Next, you can do use a ice wrapped in a towel for 15 minutes. Basically, do the ice massage. You can do it for 1 2 hours, or you can use ice pack. Right, these kind of things you can use it for basically reduce the swelling area, and you can also elevate your area. Okay, so that your blood flow will properly be there. Keep your ankle above the level of the heart to reduce the swelling basically, students. And next is compression. Wrap the ankle with an elastic bandage. This will reduce the swelling, students. These are the following steps or following measures you can get to relief from the pain, students. The next is a burn. And there are two kind of burns. Simple, it is a minor burn, and next one is severe one. Let's understand the minor burn. In case of minor burns, the burnt area should be kept under cool running water for some time. And then you have to apply an antiseptic cream that should be applied on the burnt part, students. And in case of severe burns, do not do anything. Just contact the doctor immediately, because the small things cannot help those patients. They really need the treatment during that time. And in case of animal bite, what we have to do? Like, obviously, we know when anyone, like any of the dog or anyone, like bite us, this saliva of some animals like dog, cat, monkey, they contain lot of viruses of a very dangerous disease called rabies, and the bite can lead to even death also. So it is very important to treat animal bite immediately. As you can see, snake can also bite, right? It injects its poison into our body, right? So let's discuss about it. What first aid we can take for a dog bite, students? Wash the bitten part with soap and water so that all the germs can be washed away. Apply an antiseptic cream on the wound, which would prevent the infection. Take the victim to the doctor immediately. First aid for a snake bite. It's very important. Listen carefully, students. Do not move the victim so that poison does not spread into victim's body. Otherwise, all the poison will be spread into the victim's body. Apply a tight bandage just above the bite to stop the flow of blood to the hurt. You need to apply a tight bandage just above the bite so that blood can be stopped, right? It is not reaching to the hurt area. You need to take care of this thing. Otherwise, after that, you should take your victim to the doctor immediately. Doctor may give the anti-venom injection. Venom means dunk. Okay? To treat that venom, it will give you the anti-venom injections. Like in case of bacterial infections or viral infections, we always prefer to have antiviral medicines, antibacterial medicines. Similarly, in this case, the doctor will give you the anti-venom injections. Poisoning. We know it very well. Certain things like detergents, naphthalene balls, medicines, insect killers, they all are poisonous. So you need to keep all the medicines away from the reach of the children. Otherwise, they don't know about it. They can have it and can lead to even death as well. So you need to take care of your small brother and sisters, right? You need to keep these medicines away from them. In case of any kind of poisoning, make the patient vomit so that all the poison, right, will be out from its body, and you have to call the doctor immediately. Thank you, students, for listening this video. Just answer these questions. Just try to answer the question, right? It's very simple. Thank you for listening this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you.